Well, some of us got off to a bit of a foggy start here this morning. A lot of that, though, looks like it's clearing off toward the east here as some of that drier air starts to push in behind this system. Temperature is a little on the cool side. You still want to grab that jacket heading out the door. Again, that's what we get used to this time of year. But by this afternoon, back into those upper 40s, it looks like we're going to be dealing with a lot of sunshine. So good way to end the work week across mid-Missouri. Back into those upper 40s. We'll hang on to about 40 degrees as we get into 6 and 7 o'clock tonight. But we're going to cool off pretty quick as we continue to track some mostly clear skies. That's typically how this sets up, and we may ultimately end up dealing with a little bit more of that patchy fog tomorrow morning, especially in some of those lower lying areas. Temperatures backing off into the upper 20s, so it's going to be a little bit of a cool start. But looking at that game day forecast as those Tigers host the Razorbacks from Arkansas, going to be a little cool by that 11 o'clock kickoff, but it's going to be one of those games where we're warming up all the way into the third and fourth quarter across mid-Missouri. Getting into this weekend, again, we're going to be tracking another system, but it looks like it may be trying to just graze us. There it is, kind of working its way out of the woodwork here. Getting into portions of Illinois and Indiana, it may pick up enough moisture that you may see a few flurries Sunday night into Monday morning. It doesn't look like it's going to be anything serious, but something to watch for as we get into the start of next work week. Other than that, things look like they're going to get back to that quiet pattern across mid-Missouri. Actually going to even warm up just a little bit more here. Looking at that 6 to 10 day temperature outlook from the folks at the Climate Prediction Center, drawing a pretty big bullseye in the upper Midwest. That does include some of us here into mid-Missouri at a pretty good chance at getting above average or staying above average. I think we'll be there by about day 6 or so. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, you can kind of see that Wednesday into Thursday. Temperatures back into those mid to maybe some upper 50s starting to show up here. We get toward the end of next week, so maybe something to look forward to across mid-Missouri. Until then, though, it's going to be just about a set it and forget it type of forecast going through these next couple of days. That includes this weekend. It's going to be bouncing around in the 40s.